Today I decided to come here to Kisii County Government Nyangusu Vocational Training Center. So Omogambi Simbarati. I really want to know what is going on in this vocational training center ya Nyangusu. This is to me this is not really what we expect as a people. This is a Nyangusu Vocational Training Center. Timanye tinga ngiyo chiki ya koleka na gaige exactly. Actually na woroche signpost na weche te kali kugaiga Nyangusu Kisii County Government Nyangusu Vocational Training Center. Lende na bihirigo. I mean, what is it that is this the best that we can get as a people of Kisii County? Really? Say twaikire chinga kichinde. I mean, it's so sad. This could be the office. Really, it is the office. Timanye tinganki kero, timanye ting office yenki really bagu chibakora. I mean, it is it's a such, and this is Nyangusu Vocational Training Center. We really worried about the instances that we can see here of Nyangusu Vocational Training Center. Almost ike omo Governor Simba Arati. I mean, this is your home, Nyangusu Vocational. Our side balitogo kwanera bonsi babwenete ko empowered. Banyole chikosi I mean, this is not the way we can subject them as chinga chinjera chinga bunechiga. I mean, it is so sad. And Nyanduma, what can you say? Nkiora kwano mwana minto Nyanduma.
Njenda atega banara tintu amwete chikura tukamwana ande gansobo esukuru enera ubugundi butakira abana basome baje gukonyeka arati yaje kurugutia tena arwite Nairobi agakonya abana esukuru webwa to bulimo bonene ibwaje ka 14 boigo nenya gitari yanya kwagacho igere bwasi boigo abasoja ntori bwaka rubese inde yonsi na batomenyete njara ye tolekeru asetagitiri kende gyonsi atobwa to gukumenga ntu achore to mugabana agasi umugabana atwaro jengongwa yambo balingi tukachora arati tago tokonya rende atugitire atwagachere chinyomba abana nabago chabatete kukoya chikosi lakini kwanyora kosi batete iyo uraibingite iyo turambingite iyo igonga ntobwa to muchandoga chikosi njitakeire ase gabo getauri yaito wodi esukuru tobwa tenere yuka nande ero mubaga Nyangusu town Nyangusu nere bwata abana abange balimete town mabago cha chikosi ekosi ibatagete yabura computer teyo burambingite iyo pare go cha sukuru teyo anekeru atomenyere tobo kon